guys, now I'm at Melbourne. As you can see here, I'm on holiday. I'm in Melbourne, baby. Yeah, it's like, yeah, no water. Which guy do you think is better? Which one do you think, guys, is better? Sydney or Melbourne? I don't know, guys, you pick, mate. Get over here. I went to the Penguin Island before to check out my last videos. Yeah. See it? I'm in Melbourne. You'll see a tram in here. I'll show you in a minute. No trams available now. They'll be available later. So yeah, guys. Wait, is there a tram? The taxis are different from Sydney. Look at that yellow thing. Oh, I can't see it. Sorry, it's a bad quality. Not there. See that taxi? Yeah, weed taxi. One weed taxi. There you go. Yellow cab. Should I say it? There it goes. So, yeah. Wait, where's the next tram? Wait, let's see if there's a tram. Oh. Come on, man. There's the bus there? It's the same one as Sydney. But, yeah. Damn tight, mate. Far out. I'm gonna walk here. Say. Nobody's here. I'm like far out. I'm just waiting. Waiting for the tram. Come on, tram. Come on. Come on. Hey guys. So yeah. Where's the tram coming from? There's a biker. Whoa. Yeah, guys. I just went to the. We're about to go to the 12 post road, but yeah. But we cancelled it because it was like, yeah, it was too far from Melbourne. So yeah. So. See that wire, guys? Yeah, that's for the trams in Melbourne. Cool. Yeah, I want to do the ride there, but yeah. So, hey guys, see you later.